Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna bring to you guys something that I have been making a lot lately. Super versatile, but I wanna show you guys the different spices that I have added to this stew, which is a chickpea and eggplant stew. I know, I hear you. You absolutely hate eggplant. Chill. You're gonna love in this recipe. Or if you absolutely can't stand it, there are variations to which I'm gonna show you. So let me show you how I put it together. First, we're going to start by adding olive oil to a pot, preferably a heavy bottom pot. When hot, medium heat, but when hot, we're going to add onions. Please notice that I haven't cut the onions so small because I like in this dish, it's rustic. It has this Middle Eastern vibe because of the spices. You're gonna love it. But back to the onions. I didn't cut it so small because I like to feel the bite on the onions, okay? But that's totally up to you. And then we're going to add cubed eggplants. And now we're going to brown everything. This will take about 5-6 minutes. Add salt, because salt pulls out water from the vegetables and they will brown faster. And then we're going to add black pepper, red bell peppers, some cinnamon, garlic powder, if you're not using garlic, chopped garlic, hot paprika. This amazing combination of spices called Haz Al Hanout. It's really, really good. Stir a little bit. And now you add chopped zucchini. Now, I said variations. Now, if you don't like eggplants and you don't want to, in any way, shape or form, add it to your dish, you can skip it and add zucchinis or chickpeas because the chickpeas are going to come later in the recipe. And yeah, this is it. This is up to you. But I wanted you guys to pay attention to the combination of spices, which was beautiful. When you add, every time you add cinnamon or nutmeg to a recipe or clove, you will bring out the sweet notes of your recipe. So the sweet notes of the onions, they get more pronounced. It's so good. And that's why I want you guys to always be careful and don't add so much. All the quantities and measurements in the description box below and on my website in the printable recipe, okay? So don't worry taking notes. Now you add chopped tomatoes, canned tomatoes or normal fresh tomatoes, cooked and drained chickpeas, and of course it wouldn't be me if I hadn't forgotten something, so you add a little bit of cumin, a little bit of water or vegetable broth, stir a little bit, and we're going to add it to a preheated oven, and this is it. Now, I could as well, very well, cook it in my stovetop, but in the oven, the flavors cook slower, the vegetables cook slower, and this way the flavors will develop in a more delicate way. Try it. If you don't have an oven, doesn't matter. I mean, you can still make this dish, this recipe. Just use your stovetop, okay? And then you cook until everything is soft, but in the oven, it will be between 30 minutes to 40 minutes. How about this recipe? Don't you love it? I don't need to tell you that it's all gone. I had planned to leave a little bit so I could try it with you guys, but no luck because it was so good. I usually serve it with either brown rice or white rice or even a salad or on a pita bread. So enjoy, use your creativity, whatever suits you, whatever makes you happy, because that's what this channel is about, right? To make you happy. So make me happy then, and then write in the description below on the comments, what would you have that with? I would like to know. So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it, and give this video thumbs up. Your chef deserves it. And subscribe to my channel, and hit me on social media, Facebook and Instagram. I would love to hear from you, especially if you make it. Take pictures and tag me so I can see what you guys are making, okay? And I will see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye.